Welcome to another Vahrenberg Implement product informational series video, and today we're here with the Massey Ferguson Professional Series disc mower. This is actually a DM306P. That's a 3 meter 6 rotating units, so it's going to have 6 cutter heads, 3 meters of cut. This one's actually 9 foot 10 inch cut. Just some of the features that's always been on there. You got spring tensioning. You got headlamps position with your cam control, so the machine is going to raise the inside skid shoe when it raises the cutter bar. We've got the new Massey Ferguson cover. It's actually a 2-piece cover. You can see this is the end shield and then your center section, so all 3 cutter bar widths use the same end shield and the center section opens. But what we're most excited to talk to you about today is the new cutter bar feature. First thing we're gonna do is open the cutter bar, and you will see that awesome big heads. This is a shaft-driven modular gearbox design. You've got a shaft that drives back there with individual modules that come forward. Less cutter heads require less blades. One of the cool new features of this is the new quick change blade for Massey Ferguson for the Professional Series disc mower. If we come right back up here, that's our quick change tool. And we'll just slip right down here. Set our camera down here. All you have to do is you insert the tool, flip it up, and voila, your blade is off. Quick, simple, and easy. This bolt and nut carrier is replaceable because it can wear from the blade swinging over time. You just set that, take that out, and that's all it takes. Quick, simple, easy. It's a Massey Ferguson. New quick change blades from Massey Ferguson for the Professional Series disc mowers. Come check it out. Like we say, get more, do more. Just get you a Massey Ferguson. Come check out the Professional Series disc mowers that are a cut above. There's a lot of cool features like the drive guard protection available in this, lifetime lubricant. Massey Ferguson's really stepped up their game, and this mower is made in an AGCO plant in Fuch, Germany, and it's 100% controlled of what goes in and what comes out by AGCO Corporation. Come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement in West Central Missouri. We're your Massey Ferguson and Rhino Ag dealer right here on the corner of 13 Highway and Business 13 in Higginsville, just 4 miles north of Interstate 70, about 49 miles from the Kansas line, just outside of Kansas City, Missouri. We've got hay tools, tractors, used, new. Come learn about the Massey Ferguson and Rhino Ag advantages and learn how to get the most out of your equipment purchasing dollars.